What if I told you the difference between the life you're currently living and the life you dream of isn't because of money, luck, or even talent? It's something you're doing right now on autopilot, and it's silently sabotaging you. Your energy, your focus, your goals, you name it. And the craziest part, you don't even realize it. But by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to flip the script and make sure that your habits are programmed in a way that they set you up for success. And I have something special for you which will help you do that faster than you ever thought possible. Without a further ado, let's dive in. Most people think that success is about finding that $1 million idea or finding some magic mentor. But guess what? None of that matters if your daily habits are setting you up for failure. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. And systems, they're just habits stacked on top of each other. Listen man, you can set all the goals you want, but without the right habits, you'll get nowhere. You'll end up running in circles forever. Declaring war on your habits means one thing. Every single decision is either setting you up for success or failure. That's the bottom line. It's either moving you closer to your future or pulling it away. There's no neutral, guys. You're either building the life that you want or you're reinforcing the life that you're currently stuck in. Take a second, man. What habits are killing your momentum? Endless scrolling, skipping workouts, saying I'll start tomorrow and tomorrow never comes. Whatever that is, guys, you have to take 100% responsibility over your own life. Without taking responsibility, let me tell you, man, you're getting nowhere. So, step 1 is take 100% responsibility of your life. Write them down. I mean it, like physically take a book and write them down. Because studies shows that people who write things down are 42% more likely to achieve them. So why not? Just set yourself for success, man. Imagine what happens when you write down the bad habits too. You start taking your power back. Let's get tactical now. Let's declare war on each and every single habits that you currently have, and let's rewire and reprogram your mind with new positive habits. If you're ready, man, let's get started. Step 1 is awareness is your weapon. Spend a week tracking your habits. I don't care if you write it down in a notebook, use an app, or whatever that works. Just track every single thing, guys. When you're reaching for the junk food, track it down. What caused that trigger? What made you to go and buy that junk food in the first place? Track every single thing. Or you might just take out your phone and start doom scrolling. Well, track that too. Find out the triggers that made you start scrolling, that wasted so much amount of time. Just track it down. You can't fix what you're not aware of. Step 2 is replace, don't remove. I see a lot of people trying to remove it just like that, and that's why they end up in an endless loop of never breaking free from it. Listen man, you fucked up your brain for a long period of time and you can't expect to stop that in one single day. Your brain will go in a shock mode. So to avoid that, you don't have to remove it completely, guys. You just have to replace it. That's it. I know it sounds small, but the small changes are the ones that actually change and transform your life. Your brain hates losing what it loves. So what do? Don't just quit it. Replace it. If you're always a sort of person who gets that craving to have junk food by 2 p.m. or 3 p.m., guess what? Replace it with having fruits, nuts, some juice, you name it. The idea over here is you just have to replace it. That's it. It's not complicated at all, right? You're not depriving yourself, guys. You're just upgrading your default settings. Isn't that wonderful? Step 3 is use the 2-minute rule. Stanford research shows that tiny actions create massive momentum in the long run, guys. Want to start working out? Well, start with 2 minutes of stretching, that's all. And if you want to start journaling, just write a single sentence every single day. That's it. Your goal isn't perfection, it's just activation. Step 4 is create relentless accountability, guys. Tell someone your goals and add stakes to them. For example, you can call your friends and say that, hey bro, if I don't wake up at 6 a.m. from tomorrow onwards, I owe you 20 bucks. And trust me, as I told you, your brain hates losing stuff. That snooze button suddenly feels expensive as fuck. Let me tell you about Laura, who's one of my students. She was stuck, always getting burnt out, and she always used to start things and never managed to finish it. Then she grabbed my personal development blueprint, a system designed to rebuild your habits from scratch. Within 30 days, She was up at 6 a.m., journaling, working out, and launching that dream business she always wanted to. This wasn't magic. It was system, it was habit, it was just a simple strategy. And Laura isn't some unicorn, guys. She's just like you. She just took actions. That's it. If you're ready to finally change your life, not someday, but now, this is your moment. My personal development plan will give you the exact system which will help you identify, destroy, and replace the current habits that are holding you back from reaching your fullest potential. It's usually $580, but today, since you want to take actions and improve your life, it's just $29. That's it. That's less than a week's worth of latte. But here's the catch. I only release this to a small group of people each month. Once it's gone, it's gone. Why? Because I actually want people to succeed. And that requires attention, not mass distribution. Still not sure if it'll work for you? Well, don't take my words for it. Check out the testimonials below. These are real people with real stories. They didn't wait for the perfect time. They made the time perfect by acting. $29 can get you a coffee or buy you clarity, systems, and transformation. Click the link in the description. Get the personal development blueprint to declare war on each and every single habits you have. Let me tell you this, my friend. The best time to change your life was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Declare war on your habits, rebuild your systems, and reclaim your future. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I have some fruitful content coming up for you in the coming days. You're not just watching the videos, guys. You're rewriting your own story, and that's something you have to be proud of. Now go out there and be unstoppable. And as always, you know it all, my friend. We conquer in any realm of human endeavor. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.